thank you, ladies, for an amazing speech. To deliver his graduation speech, let us hear now from Kaiser Mackenzie Mansalaino Abadai with honors from grade 6. Once again, let's give Kaiser a round of applause.
Good afternoon, everyone. Parents, teachers, fellow graduates, honor guests, our operation manager, Mr. Daniel Dudugman, and Principal, Ma'am Jonabel Ayatliao. Thank you all for being here today to celebrate our moving up and graduation ceremony. I would like to express my gratitude to our grade 6 teacher, Mr. Nelson, for his guidance, support, and help in our development. Your dedication and hard work have a lasting impact on all of us. We are truly thankful for everything you have done for us. Thank you for being our mentor and role model. I'd also like to extend my thanks to the other teachers and assistant teachers at the Human Institute. Thank you. To our parents, a special thank you to the amazing parents who have supported us every step of the way. Your love, encouragement, and sacrifices got us to this milestone. We are grateful for your unwavering support and belief in us. Thank you, parents, for being our biggest cheerleaders and for always being there for us. I want to share with everyone, I'm an online class student in 3rd grade due to the COVID-19 pandemic. We have noticed that I'm not sociable because I'm still adjusting through the additional classes. I'm grateful to about friends in school. It must have been quite challenging for me, the first day of school UAE, especially with the language barrier. Transitioning from being beside home to being surrounded by classmates, speaking Tagalog, it is indeed a significant adjustment. Understandably, the situation presented a challenge for me, but my ability to adapt and overcome these obstacles shows resilience and strength. Gradually, as I continue to navigate this new environment, I feel more comfortable. Challenges like these can also be opportunities for growth and learning. And to my fellow graduates, as we move on to the next chapter of life, remember to always believe in yourself and your abilities. Embrace your challenges with courage and determination, and never be afraid to dream big. Success comes with work hard and stay persistent. Cherish the friendships you made, and always be kind to others. Congratulations to all my fellow graduates. You will potential to achieve great things.
For those words of gratitude. At this juncture, moving on to the